Sakoni bazali nabafundi, ndiyanamkela kwividiyo yam yesibini ye-double angle identities phofu yesithathu. Kule video yesithathu ndizabe ndisenza unumber 3, ndizama ukuprova la identity, then ndizama uthini usolva la equation, uyabo. So guys, if bangumntu othi unomdla kwe-science, usayafunda, ufuna ngesiXhosa, i-maths, ne-physics, ne-life science, please guys subscribe kwi-channel yam and also like iividiyo zam ukuze nikwazi uthini to reach as many people abastrugglishayo as many as possible. Abanye bafuna. So i-question yesithathu ithi prove the identity of 1 over sine 2a minus 1 10 to a is equals to 10a. Yabo. So siyayenza apha ukuthi prove i-left hand side yethu, because i-right hand side yethu it's almost impossible ba siyakwazi ukubuyisela kwentoni kwi-left hand side. So i-left hand side yethu ithini? Ithi 1 over sine 2a minus 1 over 10 to a. Yabo. So nesawuyenza apha siza prove ntoni le identity guys, le equation. Yabo. So izawuba bani? Izawuba ngu-1 over sine 2a, asutshintsha anto apha. Yabo. So apha into esiqaphelayo apha ngubani? Apha kule nantsi le fraction yesibini ngu-1 over 10 to a. So u-1 over 10 to a ngubani? Inverse kabani? I-inverse kabani? Ka-10 to a. Ka-10 to a. Yabo. So xa i-inverse ka-10 to a, which means u-10 to a ibengubani na? Ibengu sine 2a over u-cos 2a. Yabo. So xa i-inverse izawuba ngubani now? It's gonna be what? It's gonna be cos 2a over u-sine 2a. Yabo. So this is the inverse guys. So let's write it. Izawuba ngubani? Cos 2a over sine 2a. Alright. So sine 2a, 1 over sine 2a minus cos 2a over sine 2a. So siyabona ukuthi i-denominators ziyafana. So nesiyenzayo sisolisa i-numerators. So it's gonna be 1 over cos 2a. Yabo. Then sithatha ntoni? Sithatha i-denominator 1 because denominators are common. Yabo. So izawuba ngu-sine 2a. Yabo. So nesiyenzayo manje sawuthini? Sizawusolva le nantsika because siyabona ngubani sine 1 minus sine 2a. So sawutshintsha le nantsika le trigonometric ratio izawuba ngu-1 minus, so since i-double angle, yabo, we see that lo cos yintoni? I-double angle. Yabo, i-double angle identity. So we're gonna write it ngenye form. Yabo, that is gonna help us to solve le question. So izawuba ngubani? Izawuba ngu-1 minus 2 sine squared a, and then lesibini sine 2a. So into esiyenzayo apha we solve le double angle ka-cos in a way, ngendlela yobana we need to make it sure that bayifana nalo sign, because inantsika ingqondo yethu, i-mentality yethu kuthini? Kukuthini ukuthi get rid of this sign, because ingqondo yethu kuthini? Is to get there, is to get here kulo 10a. Yabo. So lesiyenzayo ukuthini manje? So izawuba ngu-1 multiply by minus 1 times 1 minus 1, then minus 1 times minus 2a izawuba ngu-plus 2 sine squared a, and then u-2a then isiyahamba nayo i-double angle musanditsho. So siyamsolva nayo izawuba ngu-2 sine a cos a. Alright. So nesayenza guys ukuthini? Kukuthi kukuthini, then lo minus 1 lo minus 1 xa minus 1 bangu-0 ne, then soshiyeka nabani no-2 sine squared a over 2 sine a cos a, and then lo 2 nalo 2 bayakhansilishana, and then bese kwenzeka ngibani, sizashiyeka no sine a multiply by usine a over sine a multiply by cos a, yabo. So lo sine a khansilishana lo sine a, and then we are left with what, sine a over cos a, yabo. So sine a over cos a ngibani, u-10 a guys, yabo. So indeed nyani i-left hand side yalingana nanoni ne-right hand side, yabo. So guys, let's move to question number 2. Number B uthini? So number B uthina, hence solve the equation 1 over sine to a minus 1 over 10 to a. So it's about 10a is equals to what? So it's equals to what? Upper equation which is equal to 0.75. So it's gonna 0.75, and then which way it needs to be what? Between a needs to be greater than 0 degrees, and then it needs to be less than 360 degrees. So which way 0 degrees is, and then it's less than 360 degrees. Yeah. So if it's less than 360 degrees, so nasayenza apha kuthini qala? Ukukhangela ntoni? I-reference angle yethu. I-reference angle. So izaba ngubani? It's gonna be A is equals to u-10, then it's gonna find inverse ka-10, izaba ngubani? 0.75. Yabo. So xa wenze le nto sikhangele i-reference angle guys. Let's go to calculate. So into azayenza apha kuthini? Let me just do this. Let's calculate now. So izaba ngubani? Izaba ngu-shift 10 0.75 10 0.75 engubani? Izaba ngu A is equals to 36.8698. It's gonna be 36. So ngubani ngu 36.8698. 36.8698. Yabo. So i-reference angle yethu guys. Yabo. So and in the question iti unansika A which is between 0 degrees and 360 degrees and is less than 360 degrees. So izaba ngubani? A is equals to, and then we know that bani u10. Now if it's Laweza, because it's in the question Cartesian plane, which is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and then fourth quadrant. Yabo. Siyamazi u-cos positive apha ne, and then u10 positive upper, and then usine positive upper. Yabo. And then sixalelo about it's what? It's 10. It's between 0 degrees and 300. It's between 0 degrees and 360 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Yabo. So into esayenza kuthini apha siyayazi uba u10 positive kwintoni? Kwi-second quadrant. So izaba ngubani? Izaba ngu 180 plus i-reference angle yethu engu-36.8698. Yabo. plus what? Plus 180 degrees. 180 degrees times what? Times k. Lo 180 degrees kumele ntoni? Kumele i-period ka-10 yabo. Xa sendisenza nantsika i-trigonometric graphs, I will also explain to you inantsika i-period ka-10 because inantsika i-tangent graph takes 180 degrees to be completed yabo. So that's why we add the 180 up yabo, and then izaba ngu-180 plus la angle, then izaba ngubani? So izaba ngu-36 plus that plus 180, so izaba ngu-216, 8698, 8698 plus what? Plus 180 times r okanye ngangu-k, any letter yabo. So yintoni lena? Yile apha we are representing intoni apha? Yi-third quadrant le. So this is the third quadrant apho khona u-10 a-positive khona okokuqala yabo, and then let's go to the first quadrant apho khona u-10 a-positive okwesibini. So it's gonna be 36, 8698 plus what? Plus 180 multiply by k okanye u-r. So also this is the what? This is the first quadrant yabo. So onto ezayenza apha kuthini? Just to solve what? Is to solve for these angles yabo. So apha you can either put u1 okanye u2 okanye u3 okanye u4, but inantsika answer yakho needs to be what? Needs to be less than 360 degrees. You can put any number here, but your answer needs to be less than 360 degrees yabo. Basiyabona mos u200 plus 1 unantsika u180 is isengubani? It's what? It's 300 already. It's over 300 yabo. So now that gives us an indication that any number we need to put what? Negative numbers here. So either it's gonna be -1 or -2, and it's gonna be -half yabo. So let's try to do it. So 116 multiplied by 8698 plus 180 multiply by what? Multiply by -2 yabo. So yeah guys, please complete this question. Please complete this one and tell me what's your answer. Please complete this one and tell me what's your answer yabo. Mna ndizakwenza ephi? Ndizakwenza le lula yabo, but I'll show you the format because I've already done the hard work for you guys. So izaba ngubani apha? Izaba ngu-36 plus 180, izaba ngubani? Izaba ngu-216, 8698 okokuqala, question ithi yesibini, and then xa siphutha u1 unantsika u-1 apha izaba ngubani? So let's try to do calculator. The 36,8698 plus minus 90 degrees. Xa sifake u-minus half izaba ngubani? Izaba minus bani? Izaba minus 53, which is wrong because it needs to be positive answer yethu. And then 36,8698 plus what? Plus unantsika u-90 degrees izaba ngu-126,8698, which means yokuqala so isongiba ngu-126,8698 126,8698, and then isibini senze isibini xa ngu-minus half ndimenzile, xa ngu-minus 2/3 then it's minus 2/3 multiply by 180 minus 120 plus 36. It's gonna be less. So these are the two answers that we get here. Go find out the answer yale question. Go find out answer yale question, and also comment to me below uba zeziphi nantsika i-degrees that fall within this equation, yabo, that satisfy this equation, yabo, because all this is what is satisfying a specific equation, this equation, yabo. So guys, please go find me inantsika answers and also comment down them below, because guys, you are studying, yabo. Please like and share my videos, and also please subscribe guys, because more viewers and more people that wants to succeed, and also to make sure that more people are passing the subject. And also thank you for your time and your
I think you captured it very well. There's no any better explanation than the explanation you have given.